Want the ultimate gaming experience? Then you need Game Mode on Samsung TV. Want to see what it's like? All right then, here we go. If you want the most out of your game, it's important to set things up right. Thankfully, it's not hard to do. How about we start with a PC game? Just plug in an HDMI cable from your PC to your TV and you're all connected. Next, use your solar cell remote to access the Quick Settings menu and turn Game Mode on. If you connect a game console to your TV, Game Mode will start up automatically. So what's so good about Game Mode? The answer to that is all in the game bar. So how do you start up the game bar? All you gotta do is long press the play/pause button. Ta-da! There's the game bar. The moment you turn on Game Mode, input lag drops to as low as 5.8 milliseconds. Make every shot count with the best gaming TV that can keep up with your reaction time. You know how important a smooth frame rate is for gaming, right? Samsung TV delivers smooth motion non-stop with motion accelerator technology. The smoothest way to take the lead is with Motion Accelerator Turbo Plus. Enjoy greater realism in games that support HDR. Bright scenes will be brighter and dark scenes even darker. Especially with Neo QLED, black details are displayed using 12-bit instead of 10-bit. Game Mode is your all-seeing eye in the dark with 12-bit processing. Having a variable refresh rate is essential to eliminate screen tearing. And Samsung Neo QLED is equipped with FreeSync Premium Pro for the first time ever on a TV to bring you the best gaming experience. Tear down your enemies, not your game screen, with the first TV equipped with FreeSync Premium Pro. Good sound is integral to gameplay. Headsets are nice, but you'll be shocked when you hear your TV speakers with OTS. Samsung Neo QLED is equipped with Samsung's proprietary object tracking sound technology. Enjoy vivid sounds that follow objects on screen and hear your enemy's footsteps with pinpoint accuracy in 3D space. Aim for the best sound with Object Tracking Sound Plus. There are lots of new games that support ultra-wide view, right? With the aspect ratio settings on the game bar, you can switch to 21:9 or 32:9. Let's give it a try. You only need to set the aspect ratio settings once for each ratio. If you switch from 16:9 to 21:9 on the game bar first, then your PC screen might not switch to 21:9 right away. But hey, it's not a problem. If you right-click the desktop on your PC and change the resolution, your Windows PC will show up in proper 21:9. And the same goes for 32:9. When you switch from 16:9 to 21:9 to 32:9 in the game bar, all you have to do is change your PC screen to the same resolution. Once you finish the initial setup, there's nothing to it. First launch the game bar and select the aspect ratio you want. Then run any game that supports ultra-wide and you're all set. So how is it? Your screen is displaying ultra-wide correctly, right? But there's one more thing to take note of. Some game screens may appear distorted or enlarged. If that happens, there's no need to worry. You just need to set the correct resolution in the game settings. Never get blindsided. See the bigger picture and win more with 32:9 Super Ultra-Wide Game View. After a long gaming session, does your neck hurt because of where your TV is? Let's fix that. You could easily adjust the position of the screen. If you open up the game bar and select Screen Position Settings, you can press up or down on your solar cell remote to move the screen to the top, center, or bottom. And the game bar gives you all of this information at a glance. Take control and rule the battlefield with the Game Bar. All right, now we're ready to get in on the action. Game Mode on Samsung TV brings you an enhanced gaming experience.